What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing the Starlight headliner in my 2013 Volkswagen GTI. I ordered the Starlights on Amazon and I'm currently picking them up at the Amazon locker. This video will be a multi-day video, so right now this clip is going to be me picking up the Amazon lights and unboxing them and all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go in there, pick up the lights, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm using my phone. Here is the Amazon box. I'm about to unbox it right now. It's gonna be hard with one hand, but let's do it. Alright, so here's the box. Box inside of a box. It's a regular plain box. And here are the Starlights. I got the 450 piece kit. Don't look like 450, but it is 450. So here are the fiber optic cables. This thing goes into this box right here. This is the light box, a gold one, with the remote control right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Here's the box. Pretty nice box. That's where this thing goes into. That holds the fiber optics. You screw it in right there. Holds it nice and tight. Comes with a AC plug and a cigarette lighter plug for your car. So, like I said earlier, I will be, geez, this is long, 9 feet, guys. I will be installing this in my car. Let's see if it works. Let me go hook it up real quick and I'll show you guys. Alright, so I gotta plug it in. As you can see, you can't really see it though because it's so bright, but let me move one over here. It's twinkling. I got the twinkle effect one, also with music. So like I said, the lights plug into here and then this goes into the box. So this little black thing holds it nice and tight so it doesn't come out. It looks pretty cool. So I haven't seen this done on a GTI on YouTube anywhere, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to remove my headliner and stuff like that, because I pretty much don't know. Should be fun. It should be taking a lot of time to do, but I'll be able to do it. I hope so. But yeah, it's gonna look cool. See you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna try to plug it into. Sorry, it's a mess back here, but I have a 12-volt outlet right there, cigarette lighter outlet. I want to see if it works, so I'm gonna grab the Starlights from back here. Sorry, it's a mess back here too. Alright, so I'll put that there. Let's open this up. It's upside down. Alright, that's open. Let me take this out. I want to try to leave it in the box. So, I'm gonna put that like that. I'm going to grab this one, plug it in here, and plug it into that. I'll plug it into that cigarette lighter in the back now. in, I'm going to bring that part out. Alright, I'm gonna put the key in, see if it turns on. Alright, awesome, super bright. But yeah, so that's what I'm planning to do. I'm gonna try to, if you guys can see, bring it down here behind this panel and behind the rug right there. I'll try to find a spot to put the box in and plug it in right there. For now, I am going to, yo, it looks so cool. It's so bright on camera. Let me try to, there we go. Put the, it's so cool, guys. Alright, so back to what I was saying. I'm gonna try to figure out how to take off the headliner. I know you gotta take this part off because I took this off before to wrap my roof because I needed to take the antenna off, that antenna. So, oh shit. This piece has to come off. I know this comes off probably, most likely, I have no idea. But yeah, so the, what people like to call the oh shit handles, those have to come off. The visors up front have to come off. The light right there comes off. I'm trying to figure that out and I'll come back in a little bit. Alright guys, so I decided to make the Starlight video into a 3-part video. I hope you guys enjoyed this first part, which was me unboxing and telling you my plan on how I'm gonna do these Starlights. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like. Comment down below if you're excited about this Starlight project like I am. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this video. If you found this enjoyable, let me know down in the comments. And make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in part 2 of the Starlight headliner video. Peace!